Have you ever wondered how long it takes to form a habit? The answer might be more complicated than you think. Often you'll hear that it takes 21 days to form a habit. This idea stems from a misinterpretation of the work by Dr. Maxwell Maltz, a plastic surgeon from the mid-20th century. Maltz observed that his patients took roughly 3 weeks to adjust to their new appearances post-surgery. Somehow this observation got twisted into the commonly believed 21-day rule for habit formation. Fascinating, isn't it? But here's the twist. Habit formation isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's a complex process and varies greatly depending on the behavior and the individual. Imagine trying to make a habit of running 5 miles every day versus drinking a glass of water every morning. The time it takes to make these behaviors automatic can vary significantly. So how long does it really take to form a habit? Brace yourselves for a range that might surprise you. Research suggests it can take anywhere from 18 to 254 days for a behavior to become automatic. Yes, you heard it right. It could take up to 8 months for certain behaviors to turn into habits. But don't let this discourage you. On average, it takes about 66 days to form a habit. That's just a little over 2 months. This means that if you start a new habit today, by the time summer rolls around, that behavior could be a well-embedded part of your daily routine. So to sum up, while the 21-day rule might kickstart a habit, it's far from a hard and fast rule. Habit formation is a complex process that depends on the individual and the behavior. It can take anywhere from 18 days to 8 months, with an average of about 66 days. Remember, forming a habit is a journey, not a race. So, take your time, be patient with yourself, and celebrate the small victories along the way. And who knows, by the time the leaves start changing colors, you might just have a new habit firmly in place.